So hello everyone, today we've got a diecast review of the 1959 hard top Volkswagen Beetle. Now I have a mixed opinion on this car. It's not my favourite car, I have to admit that, but I also kind of like it because it's an iconic car. Obviously, we all know that this was a collaboration with Volkswagen and Porsche before Volkswagen actually was bought by, Porsche was bought by Volkswagen, because all the later Porsches kind of look like a stretched out version of the Beetle. But until recent years, they're kind of their own thing now. But yeah, so this is a white Beetle, and I must say, white really goes with the Beetle. I don't know why, but it goes so well with the Beetle. Yep. Obviously, this car had no grills. It had a bumper low. I don't know if that's the grills on it there. The number plate says VW Beetle, as it's also known as. Also says it on the back version. Also again with a bumper. Then it has the grills where the engine would be, because it was a rear engine car. Kind of done it all, this car, before the whole sports cars, supercars had the rear engine at the back. This was the car that kind of started all that. So, yep. The car doors open, obviously the catches are also painted on, all the details are painted on. The dashboard, even the wheel is made to look like a peanut steering wheel. Let's go this side and see it. So yeah, it was made to look like a peanut steering wheel. The pedals are chrome with Barago. They usually just paint them black and you can't really see them. But with Welly, they've kind of painted that, so they've actually went the extra mile there. They've even made that latch where the chair would go forward for you to go into the back seats. That's it. How hot would it have been in there? Since the engine was pretty much back here. So how hot did it get in that back seat? I don't think we'll ever know, since the new Beetles don't actually have a rear engine. So we probably will never know. But unless if someone owns a classic Beetle. Obviously there's the mirror at the top of the windows are very flimsy on this model, so you want to be careful with those. The wheels are looking good. They're chrome wheels with rubber tyres. Those are rubber tyres. You've also got the catches, the handles of the door, painted in chrome. Same with the lights, which are like a red, clear plastic. Same with these ones. These little lights look like they're painted on. And they're literally just separate piece of metal, I think. And then you've got the separately cast lights at the front. So yeah, this car is pretty decent. Obviously At the very original Volkswagen Beetles, their windows were split, so were like circular, and you had the splits in the window. This one doesn't have that one, but it's a later year Beetle, but they used to have that at the back. And then you have the big window at the front. I love the beige interior. I think it goes really well with the whites. I kind of like what they did there, like the peanutish, butterish like colour. But yeah. So let's get a car to comparison it with. We also got the Austin Mini Cooper. Now, in heights, I would say they're about the same height, but the Beetle might be a tad bit taller because of the front. I think that's making it a bit taller. No, the Volkswagen Beetle is taller. So if you put it at the bottom, it's a taller car. Looks like it's about the same width. They're both quite small cars anyway. Obviously, the Mini did have the engine at the front. Up-to-date review for this car coming soon. Because the last review I did, it was in the box. I've got a lot to talk about with this model. And yeah, so let's compare it to the Ford Mustang Boss, and you can see already it's way smaller compared to the Mustang. The Mustang just dwarfs this car. Obviously, again, another front engine. So I'm going to fix that by getting out one of the supercars. We'll get the Lamborghini, I didn't call it Ferrari, Lamborghini Sian. Obviously, the Sian is way shorter than the Volkswagen Beetle, but it's wider. So, yeah. And obviously the car will be way faster. But obviously, like, yeah, I forgot the back doesn't open with this one, same as this one, but that is where the rear engine would be. You can kind of see it in there. But I do have another Lamborghini, the Aventador, which looks taller, and I think also has the opening back, which it does. So this Lamborghini, let's see it. So yeah, this Lamborghini does have the lift up. It does not go that far, but yeah, there's the engine right there, the rear engine, which would have come all because of this car here. So yeah, again, shorter car, but it's way bigger in width. So yeah, I love a good Lamborghini. So yeah, there's my review of the Volkswagen Beetle. I'll see you in the next video when we review this.